I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a middleman in Discord to grow a garden. A middleman is a trusted individual who helps facilitate trades, ensuring both parties fulfill their obligations. This process is crucial for maintaining a secure and thriving garden economy, especially when exchanging valuable seeds, rare plants, or even virtual currency. They act as a neutral third party, holding items or currency for a short period, typically less than 5 minutes, until the transaction is complete. To begin, choose a middleman from a trusted list, often found in dedicated Discord channels. Look for individuals with many positive reviews and a history of successful trades. Once selected, clearly outline your trade details to them, including what you are giving and what you expect to receive. For example, if you are trading 5 rare seeds for 100 gold coins, ensure everyone agrees. This transparency is key to a smooth and secure exchange. The middleman's role is to verify everything. They will confirm that the 5 rare seeds are indeed rare and that the 100 gold coins are present. Once both parties have sent their respective items or currency to the middleman, they will then distribute them to the correct recipients. This entire process typically takes only a few minutes, providing a layer of security that protects your valuable garden assets and fosters trust within the community. By consistently using a middleman for your significant garden trades, you protect your hard-earned resources and encourage a more vibrant economy. This secure environment allows gardeners to confidently exchange rare plants, specialized tools, or large sums of currency without fear of being scammed. A thriving trade system, supported by trusted middlemen, directly contributes to the overall growth and prosperity of your Discord garden, making it a more enjoyable and rewarding experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.